Hello. Today, this is Season 3 of MSAgent Dog Eat Dog series. Oh my god, I will be proud when I see this. Anyways, the new contestants are Barney, CAILLOU, Discord, Dora the Explorer, Pikachu, and Roblox. Anyway, time for the first round.
Discord will be taking on the challenge. Go for it, Discord.
Discord is successful at the challenge. Well done, Discord. Candidates for the Dog Pound are Dora and Roblox. Discord sends Dora to the Dog Pound.
Yes! Dora is finally gone!
Barney will be taking on the challenge. Well, let's hope Barney loses, because I hate Barney.
Barney isn't successful at the challenge. He is sent to the Dog Pound. Hata. Barney is a loser.
Discord will be taking on the challenge. Discord better win, because I love Discord.
Discord isn't successful at the challenge. He is sent to the Dog Pound. Oh no! Discord is sent to the Dog Pound. Thanks Elliot, now I'm sad. CAILLOU will be taking on the challenge. Let's hope CAILLOU gets sent to the Dog Pound, because he's an annoying bald head.
CAILLOU is successful at the challenge. Are you kidding me? I thought that CAILLOU is gonna be unsuccessful at this challenge, but no. Thanks a lot, CAILLOU fans. Now you made me mad. Candidates for the Dog Pound are Pikachu and Roblox. CAILLOU sends Pikachu to the Dog Pound. Really? Why do you have to send Pikachu to the Dog Pound? It's not fair. CAILLOU and Roblox compete. CAILLOU wins and becomes top dog. Roblox is sent to the Dog Pound. You what?
Why? Just why? Why the frick did CAILLOU became the top dog? He is a gay bald head. But if he wins $25,000, then I will smash up the monitor big time. Anyway, time for the final trivia.
For the trivia category sports, CAILLOU selects Barney. Barney answers incorrectly. CAILLOU scores. CAILLOU leads 1-0. Are you kidding me? Why did you answer the question correctly? Thanks Elliot, bald head. For the trivia category animals, CAILLOU selects Dora. Dora answers incorrectly. CAILLOU scores. CAILLOU leads 2-0. Really? You just did the same thing. That's not fair.
For the trivia category movies, CAILLOU selects Roblox. Roblox answers correctly. The Dog Pound scores. CAILLOU leads 2-1. Finally! The Dog Pound got the question right! For the trivia category education, CAILLOU selects Discord. Discord answers correctly. The Dog Pound scores. CAILLOU and the Dog Pound are tied 2-2. Yes! The Dog Pound got the question right again! For the trivia category transportation, CAILLOU must select Pikachu. Pikachu answers incorrectly. CAILLOU scores. CAILLOU wins $25,000. You son of an idiot!
Okay. I have to calm down now. God. I was completely angry because of this.
Now for the placements. Dora the Explorer, first eliminated. She was sent by Discord. Barney, second eliminated. Discord, third eliminated. Pikachu, fourth eliminated. He was sent by CAILLOU. Roblox, fifth eliminated. He lost head-to-head. And CAILLOU, the top dog, won $25,000. Okay, see you on Season 4 of MSAgent Dog Eat Dog. But for now, Bye.